So I'll be showing you how to use a custom ringtone on your OnePlus 13. So if you don't like the ringtones that are offered by OnePlus on the phone by default, you can actually add your own ringtone. Now, before you can try to add your own ringtone, that file needs to be in MP3 format or any audio file format saved on the device memory. So you could have downloaded it from a certain website. I'm not going to show you that. You could have gotten it via WhatsApp. Maybe someone sent it to you. So make sure you get it and download it. Or maybe someone sent it to you via Google Drive or some other messaging service like Telegram. Make sure you download it and it's actually on the device. Now, once the file is on the device, you can go into settings. Under settings, scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. And then scroll down and find the ringtone category. Tap on that. And then choose whether you want to set it for SIM 1 or SIM 2. I'm just going to set it for SIM 1. So what you want to do is come here to the custom section. It says on this device. So if you tap on that, it's going to show you all the MP3 files that are on the device. Also, if you have some recordings which you used the voice recorder to record, they're also going to be listed here. But more importantly, we want MP3 format files or M4A. So as long as they're audio file in audio file format, then you can use them. So for instance, I have this horrible Nokia ringtone, which I've just downloaded from somewhere. It's an MP3 file and I can just select it. And that's going to be my ringtone. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.